windy day, no mic is on. $5,000 different liquid nails, and I didn't know I needed extreme. Didn't have to use extreme, but I got heavy duty. I just don't get it at times. Just make 3 of them. And they got too many if asked. This cuts. Now I gotta go find out where that little piece went. Doesn't save it. I gotta puncture this. Yes, indeed. So there I go. All punctured, put in. Get your hands dirty once you touch this. Oh man, always get your fingers dirty. Squeeze it on out. Good to go. Now I gotta take some nails out so I could higher. Where'd my screw gun go? My screw gun was like right here. Disappeared. I'll find it eventually. I found it where I left it last. So I just need to unscrew these. These are not going to fall off. Now, my problem is I need to have them on to hold it into place, my tiles. So maybe they could, I don't know. So here I got my tile, right? Did my nice cut as you've seen. And all I got to do is place this on it, like so. If I put the screw on there, it's going to push up. Well, I am going to put the screw on. One of them I know is going to work. So let me come on over here, do my best to screw down. Come on over here and screw down. I'll remove them later. Let's get that glue on there. I could put the glue on here, but then when I put it up there, it's going to be all over there. So my glue just basically goes here. Don't need a lot, just need enough to grab it. I'm done, just like that. Well, my problem is everything else stays in this, and it's troublesome trying to go out. Squeeze it out, pull it back in. It don't suck back in. Not at all. So let's put this bad boy up. All over my fingers again. Don't you just love when things get all over your fingers? See if I could screw that down. Hold it into place. I'm not sure if the other one's going to be good because I didn't cut my tile precisely right. See what I can do now. Stick this last tile up. Hopefully it'll go. Oh, I sure did. There's my gun. Gun's over here. Now that's holding. All I need to do now is just come here and fill it in. Take your finger, rub it along. Come back and clean it up. You'll never know a difference if that was caulking or not. Go right over the screw. Don't care. My job's done. I could come back and take the screw out and put this on there. But there you have it. I'm done. Just like that. Now I got a wall. Put a fixture up here. Put a little border here. I'm good to go. See you on the next project. Finger dirty.